Hi, I'm Lori with Team Gabriel at Coldwell Banker Realty, and I'm standing in our newest listing. This is an adorable condo at 420 Main Street. We're in Unit 71. This is a very quaint, small complex that is so conveniently located. It is just wonderful. We are right off of Main Street, which leads you down to the Big E. We have Dunkin Donuts, shopping malls, highway, and everything couldn't be more convenient than this location. It's a wonderful location. This is an adorable unit. It's 892 square feet with an additional 400 square feet in the lower level, a total of 1,338 square feet overall. And there's a family room downstairs that's heated that you could get that extra square footage from. In here, you'll notice that the kitchen is just in wonderful, wonderful shape. It has stainless steel appliances. They're Samsung line, and they have a convection oven, your microwave, dishwasher, refrigerator, freezer. You have a nice deep sink. That's wonderful if you like to cook in the kitchen. You have some under cabinet lighting. You have a young floor that's in great condition. On the main level, you have bamboo floors in the living room. It's nice and spacious. And you have 1.5 baths total in this unit. They both have been remodeled and they're in great shape, just like the kitchen. Throughout this home, you'll notice that there's nice white trim. The doors have all been replaced throughout, front and back. When you go upstairs, you have also bamboo wood floors in both bedrooms that are spacious with nice closet space. And this owner added a second floor laundry. So that is just wonderful. Everybody wants the laundry upstairs. And from the living room leading upstairs to the bedrooms and the second floor laundry, there's new staircase and they're wood tread stairs that this owner put in. They're just wonderful. So the bamboo floors lead from the lower level living room all the way upstairs throughout the hallway and into the bedrooms through the wood tread staircase. So that's nice too. And your windows are young. They're tilt-in thermal pane windows, which makes cleaning wonderful for you. You have a nice deck and there's a nice bright courtyard that's very quaint in the front. You have ceiling fan lights, bright lighting. Outside, this unit has newer siding, younger roof, and the pavement has been done outside. The whole parking lot has been updated. They take really good care of here. They take care of all of your mowing, lawn care, leaves, snow removal, which is wonderful. You can just come home and not worry about anything in the exterior. So if you'd like more information about this beautiful unit, then give me a call at 860-926-5101 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. We look forward to hearing from you.
Homes to life, bringing dream homes to life.